Apple cuts lower back on iPhone 14 manufacturing as demands fall. After expecting dwindling needs for new iPhone 14 models, Apple has reportedly requested the suppliers to reduce return on manufacturing for this year. The California-based tech giant is planning to reduce 6 million devices in the second half of this year, which makes the manufacturing discern up to 90 million handsets for the period, roughly the equal degree as the prior year and in line with Apple's authentic forecast this summer. Bloomberg has pronounced, quoting humans acquainted with the matter. The association had beforehand advised its suppliers to put together for a 7% expand in orders. Moreover, the demand has been greater for the iPhone 14 seasoned fashions than the entry-level ones, which has compelled one of the suppliers to center off the attention the manufacturing potential solely on the top-class versions, it has reported. On Wednesday, Apple's shares went down about 4% following reviews of cuts in manufacturing plans this year. On Monday, the US tech giant introduced that it has commenced making its new iPhone 14 in India quicker than anticipated, as it strikes some of its manufacturing away from China. Apple had labored with Taiwan-based Foxconn Technology Group, its most necessary manufacturing partner, with the unique intentions of assembling iPhones in Chennai about 2 months after its world launch, Bloomberg had reported. Apple's cross to diversify the grant chains has been in response to rising tensions between US and China over Taiwan and trade. Earlier this month, JP Morgan Analysis stated that they assume Apple to go around 5% of iPhone manufacturing to India this year. The record additionally envisioned that 25% of all iPhone manufacturing will be in the South Asian kingdom through 2025.